Several developments that come in, and on the other side we'll also be tracking in former Chief Justice Sushila Karki likely to lead Nepal interim government. Flight operation resume in Nepal.
Republic, Nation First. In association with Gallant, Nirmaan Ka Real Hero.
Presented by Did You Sleep Well? Powered by Amity University, ranked amongst the top 3% universities globally.
Hello and welcome. I'm Aishwarya Kapoor and you're watching the special feature Progressive Maharashtra, where we spotlight the most impactful developments from the state. These initiatives are not only redefining Maharashtra's growth story, but are also fueling India's journey towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi's ambitious vision of a developed India. So let us begin with the major headlines that remained in focus. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Prime Minister of Singapore Lawrence Wong jointly inaugurated JN Port, PSA Mumbai Terminal BMCT Phase 2 via video conferencing. On this occasion, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis was present at Uran in Raigad district. With a capacity of 4.8 million TEUs, JNPA has now become the country's largest container terminal. Through this expansion, Maharashtra has once again secured the top position in port capacity and will make a significant contribution to the global supply chain. Operated by PSA International, this terminal is India's first container terminal powered entirely by renewable energy.
देश का सबसे बड़ा टर्मिनल तो महाराष्ट्र में हुआ ही है, लेकिन देश की सबसे बड़ी कैपेसिटी भी अब महाराष्ट्र में खड़ी हुई है। देश में नंबर 1 पर महाराष्ट्र आया है और अब जैसे ही वाढवण का पोर्ट हम पूरा करेंगे तो अगले 100 साल तक दुनिया के देश के हमारे मैरीटाइम व्यापार में, हमारे सागरी व्यापार में महाराष्ट्र नंबर 1 रहेगा।
Let's now take a look at some of the major cabinet decisions related to infrastructure development. Approval granted for the Mumbai Metro Line 11 project connecting Anik Depot Wadala to the Gateway of India with a budgetary provision of 23,487 crore 51 lakh rupees. Approval of loans for Thane Ring Metro, Pune Metro Line 2, Line 4 and Nagpur Metro Phase 2. Sanction for 2 new stations in Pune Metro, Balaji Nagar and Bibwewadi. A budget of 4,826 crore rupees has been approved for the purchase of 238 air-conditioned local trains to strengthen Mumbai's lifeline, the suburban railway network. Approval for the construction of 136 km of new rail routes under the Mumbai Urban Transport Project. Approval granted for the 3rd and 4th suburban railway lines between Pune and Lonavala. Construction of an elevated road from Thane to Navi Mumbai Airport. Development of Nagpur Outer Ring Road and truck bus terminals at 4 locations. Nagpur has once again made its mark globally. Nagpur Metro has entered the Guinness Book of World Records by constructing the world's largest double-decker flyover, 5.637 kilometers long on Kamptee Road. The certificate was presented to the city in the presence of Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Writing a new chapter in ease of doing business, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated the MILAP, MIDC Industrial Land Application and Allotment Portal online. The MIDC Industrial Land Application and Allotment Portal is a strategic initiative by MIDC to streamline the allocation of industrial, commercial and residential plots. This initiative will pave the way for promoting economic growth and attracting large-scale investments in the state. On September 17, a new train between Beed and Ahilnagar will be flagged off. The decision was taken at a meeting chaired by Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. With this, Beed city in Maharashtra will soon feature on the railway map of India. This long-awaited dream of Beed residents for railway service is finally becoming a reality. Appropriately, the train will be inaugurated on Marathwada Liberation Day. A delegation of Indian Foreign Service officers on a study tour in Maharashtra paid a courtesy visit to Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. During the interaction, they were briefed about various ongoing development works and ambitious projects in Maharashtra. In today's edition of Progressive Maharashtra, we explored how the state is advancing with renewed energy across every sector. Every project, every initiative is a step toward building a prosperous, strong and modern Maharashtra. Join us next week for more inspiring stories and new chapters in the journey of Maharashtra's progress. Until then, Jai Maharashtra.
The top headlines coming in. American political commentator and pro-Trump host Charlie Kirk shot dead at campus event in Utah. Trump ally Charlie Kirk shot dead during an event in a rally by a sniper. Utah governor calls it political assassination. Special investigation team investigating Gaurav Gogoi's Spark link submits report to Himanta. Assam Chief Minister claims larger conspiracy nefarious activities. India gives it back to Switzerland at the UNHRC, calling its comments on minorities surprising, shallow and ill-informed. Prime Minister Modi speaks with Qatar, expresses deep concerns over Doha attacks.